will do question number 28. See here, how many partners are there? X and Y. That means two partners are there in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 7:3. That means for X, share will be 7/10, and for Y, share of profit will be 3/10. Okay, 7:3 means for X the share will be 7/10, and for Y the share of profit will be 3/10. Okay, now going back to the question. According to the partnership deed, X was to be paid a salary of 3,000 per month. So X will get a salary of 3,000 per month, and Y was to get a bonus of 24,000 per annum. Per annum means yearly he will get a bonus of 24,000. Then interest on capital was to be allowed at the rate 10% per annum. Rate of interest on capital is 10% per annum. Interest on drawings was to be charged 8% per annum. Here rate of interest on drawings is given, but see in the second information only, interest on X drawing was 1800 and Y's drawings was 1200. Already interest on drawings is given for this question, so we don't have to calculate interest on drawings. Their fixed capitals were 2,40,000 and 90,000. They mentioned very clearly that their capital is fixed, that is 2,40,000 and 90,000. So we will charge 10% of 2,40,000 for X, and for Y we will charge 10% of 90,000. Okay, then the firm earned a profit of 1,50,000 for the year ended 31st March 2014. So here the year ending is 31st March 2014, and they have given the profit of the entire firm. What is the profit of the entire firm? 1,50,000. What you are asked to prepare here, see, prepare profit and loss appropriation account. You are asked to prepare only profit and loss appropriation account. So I have already made the format over here, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st/3/2014. Okay, now we will start. See, the first thing we should start with is the profit of the firm. That is, the firm earned a profit of 1,50,000. This is the entire firm's net profit. So we will write here by net profit. I am writing here NP. NP means net profit. Okay, don't be confused. Net profit brought down. From where we have brought down, this is as per profit and loss account. Okay, this is the entire profit of the firm. How much was the entire profit of the firm? Mentioned here, the firm earned profit of 1,50,000. So we will write here 1,50,000. Okay, now coming back to the question, X was to be paid a salary of 3,000 per month. This is monthly salary, right? This is the monthly salary of X, and we are preparing profit and loss appropriation at the end of the year. That means we have to calculate X salary. We will record it in the debit side. I hope you remember that whenever we spend something on partner, it is an expense for the firm. So we will record this expense in the debit side. X salary, bracket, we will write, see here, X was to be paid a salary of 3,000 per month, and we are preparing it for the entire year. So 3,000 into 12 will be 36,000. Okay, this is X salary. See the next information given, Y was to get a bonus of 24,000 per annum. Now in case of Y, it is a entire year's bonus. Per annum is annually, so this we will take as directly to Y's bonus. We are giving bonus of 24,000 yearly bonus to Y. Okay, as a firm. Now next is interest on capital was to be allowed at the rate 10% per annum. So in this case our capitals are fixed, so we will directly charge. For X, it will be 10% of 2,40,000, So here first we will write to interest on capital. Since interest should be given to the partners by the firm, so it is an expense, so we are recording it on the debit side. To interest on capital, first we will give to X 10% of, here his fixed capital is 2,40,000, so we will record here 10% of 2,40,000, so here it will be 24,000. okay. Next for Y, again same rate of interest, 10% of, now his fixed capital is 90,000, so we will write here 10% of 90,000, so it will be 9,000, and here 24,000 plus 9,000, the total will be 33,000. okay. Now next information, the interest on drawings was 1800. As I told you, they have given the rate, but here already they have calculated and given the amount also. Interest on X drawing is 1800 and Y's drawings was 1200. So we don't have to calculate anything, and interest on drawings is given by the partners to the firm. So it is an income for the firm. So we will write here by interest on drawings for X it is mentioned 1800 and for Y it is mentioned 1200. okay. So in total we will get 3,000. okay. Now we will calculate which side is greater. First we will calculate the credit side. The total of credit side is 1,53,000 and the total of debit side is 93,000. So it is very clear that here in this case credit side is greater than debit side, so obviously there is profit. okay. So now this profit will be shared among whom? Among the partners. So if we minus 1,53,000 from 93,000, we will get a profit. To whom we will share this profit? To profit transferred to, who are the partners? Who are the partners over here? See, X and Y are the partners. So first we will give to X and then to Y. So X, so if we minus 1,53,000 from 93,000, we will get 60,000. So 60,000 is their total profit. So both will get the share of 60,000. But at what ratio? See, I have told you in the beginning itself, 7/10 for X and 3/10 for Y, because their ratio was 7:3. So this gives us 7/10 for X and 3/10 for Y. So here 60,000 into 7/10, and for Y it will be 3/10. okay. So now if we calculate, here we will get 42,000 will be X share of profit and Y's share of profit will be 18,000. So this will make a total of 60,000. And here we will write on both the side the total 1,53,000. Here also 1,53,000. I hope the sum is clear to you.